Nice and lovely day, everyone. Welcome to Camglish.com. This is Teacher Jara, and I will be with you for less than 10 minutes as we deal with a preview of another fun and flashy English passage. So, join me as we study the book English Reading Basic 1. For today, we will tackle Unit 20, and the title of our article is Generation. Let's know more about this word. Let's read the article. First, I will read it slowly so you can be familiar with how the words should be pronounced, and after that, you can join me as I read it for the second time. So listen carefully. I will start now. What does generation mean? Generation means two different things. First, generation means a group of people who are born and live around the same time. They have similar ages and they share the same culture. Second, generation also means each stage in a family. For example, a grandmother, a mother, and a daughter are three different generations. Nowadays, a lot of families consist of one or two generations. How many generations are there in your family? Are there a lot of generations in your family? So now, let's read it for the second time. Let's make it faster. So be ready now. Let's begin. What does generation mean? Generation means two different things. First, generation means a group of people who are born and live around the same time. They have similar ages and they share the same culture. Second, generation also means each stage in a family. For example, a grandmother, a mother, and a daughter are three different generations. Nowadays, a lot of families consist of one or two generations. How many generations are there in your family? Are there a lot of generations in your family? So, I hope you got all the words correctly. And if you have free time, you can go back to this video and practice your reading ability. So now, let's deal with some exercises related to this topic. For our first activity, we have select true or false. Here, you need to identify which sentence is true and which one is false. So let's have sentence number 1. Generation has only one meaning. True or false? This sentence is false. So let's check what word made it wrong. Here's the sentence. Generation means two different things. So, it has two meanings. So sentence number 1 is absolutely false. Now let's go to number 2. Generation means each stage in a family. True or false? This sentence is true. Let's go back to the passage and let's have the sentence that will support our answer. Let's read the sentence. Second, generation also means each stage in a family. So sentence number 2 is correct. Here is sentence number 3. Generation means a group of people who live around the same time. True or false? This sentence is true. Let's have the sentence in the passage. Here's the sentence. First, generation means a group of people who were born and live around the same time. So sentence number 3 is absolutely true. Now let's proceed to our word box. This word box contains 8 different words that will help you enhance your vocabulary. It also contains the correct pronunciation of the words and its Korean meaning. So let's have the words. Please repeat after me. Generation, mean, born, similar, share, stage, nowadays, consist. So if you have free time, you can make sentences using these words. And for our last activity, we have vocabulary checkup. Here, you need to fill in the blank to have the complete thought. You can choose your answers from our word box. Let's have number 1. What does the sign blank? Find the missing word. The right answer is mean. What does the sign mean? For number 2, we blank the same room. What do you think is the right answer for this sentence? Good. It is the word share. We share the same room. For number 3, this problem is blank to that one. What do you think is the missing word? The right answer is similar. This problem is similar to that one. And for number 4, this is the most popular song of my blank. What do you think is the right word for this sentence? Nice job! The answer is generation. This is the most popular song of my generation. I hope you got all the correct answers for this activity. This is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned a lot. Again, this is Teacher Jara from Camglish.com. See you in our next video. Have a great day, everyone. Goodbye.